Hi, my name is Pepe, and today I'm going to be going over my frames of references. Uh, my first one, we're going to be looking at multi-contextual. Multi-contextual is a frame of reference that I like to work with people of all ages, to look at different steps which we could use in everyday life and adjust them to different events. An example would be, let's say a child wants to ask to be friends with a new person that they meet in the playground. They need a plan. How are they going to approach the child? Uh, See if they like the hobby that they like, and see if they want to be friends. Next one is to, if as you grow up, you use that approach and you skip these steps and go straight to step five when you're making friends with the opposite sex, and you try to talk to them and say, "Hey, I like this. Do you like this thing?" And they do. And as OTs, we try to help the individual uh, come to realizations that what they have in their head uh, as steps is great, but we need to modify and adjust and how we approach different individuals in life, because the way we speak with friends is totally different when we speak to someone that we're trying to talk to of the opposite sex, or a parent or a boss. And that's a way we could use these frames of references. The next one I would like to bring up is a cognitive behavioral. My cognitive behavioral glasses come personally because I, for one, have uh, uh, for someone that has ADHD, has trouble focusing in class. And so I use these glasses to, with the assistance of OTs, to show me that with the distractions in class, I'm not able to focus. So I use these to help me, uh, uh, whether it's my environment too loud or too many distractions. I use these to help me better see what's going on by taking away the distractions and allowing me to focus, whether it's using therapy or different ways to cope with things, and using fidget toys or um, that would allow me to see my world in a better view instead of being too cloudy, too blurry like the slinky. It clear up my view, and so I could better concentrate in class on the task at hand. The next one we're going to bring up is a developmental framework. The framework is we're working with children and people of all ages to help uh, not only the child, the caregiver, and the parent, and the support group that's around that child to thrive in their environment, whether their environment is hot and dry and clumpy, or nice and sunny and has some clouds and nice animals. While this environment for the plants is totally different, but they both prosper. But with the assistance of OT, people can adjust their developmental patterns, whether they need more water or more attention to support the stages, whether they're being behind, to grow to their final product of prospering with flowers. Again, with this one, this seed became a plant that's going to be a fruit tree. But before we get a fruit tree, it needs support, it needs attention, it needs guidance on how to get to those milestones that they need to achieve to become uh, a strong, stable tree that can be topped down by environmental, which could be external and internal issues that one may have if they were a person or a plant. such as the environment, the pests, or people. And so we could adjust it by adjusting the environment, where they are, the people they speak with, or the way that they are developing, whether they need modifications. The last one we're working on is our rehabilitation glasses. My rehabilitation glasses has some modifications with some strings to help me support, to so I won't be able to lose my glasses when I'm walking around. My glasses have two different colors and make one purple color. One's blue on one side, one's red. When we're in rehab, children of all ages and adults as well have struggle when we're limited to things in life. We're dealt with a serious injury, we as OTs are there to help people thrive, eh, with the issues that they have with modifications. We can modify whether they're at home, at school, or at work. How, you may ask? We could use adaptive tools and equipment, um, technology. We could use to help them with their ADLs and occupation as well. So life won't be a crumble and tear them apart. We are there to help them and support them. Uh, one one lens, and so they could see the world instead of in pieces. We see it as how they can see themselves, uh, able to see and thrive in their world. Thank you.